Hey people, so there is this page on Instagram called the Money Mindset Healer, and I connected with this sweet Afro American lady who runs the page, and uh, she holds these seminars about how if you are an empath, you can. Who if you are an empath who wants to run a business, how you can run a business without getting drained by people. Oh my god, yeah, this has come to be my life theme. I mean, as in, I'm sure there's so many out there who, you want to do so much, but this whole thing of anything, be it any kind of social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it kind of drains you. It begins to drain you, and most of us at some level we are empaths. So that is. So to know a magic technique to be able to dabble with all these different things and not get drained, I think that is really something. So people do check it out. It is called the Money Mindset Healer. uh, I have the Money Mindset Healer. I have the page open in front of me on Instagram, and just attending her course will kind of clarify certain things in your mind that will be, it's just so awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.